back to the next Project Bimmer. Now, for those that don't know, Project Bimmer is my 1995 BMW 318 saloon, or sedan for our American viewers. And in this video I'm going to give it a little bit of a facelift. So as you can see, it's pretty much as it left the factory in, I think it might have been Munich where they built these. A nice easy way of just giving it a facelift and making it a bit more youthful is to replace these amber indicator units, one on each side, and the side repeaters with clear ones, and that's what I'm going to do on this video. I need to replace the rear lights as well to finish it off, but that'll be the subject of a future video. So this is what I've got. I've got a pair of clear side light units and a pair of clear front indicator units. I got these from Euro car parts. Now these cost just over 26 quid for the lot, which wasn't bad. There was a sale on, and they're always having sales on, so you best go into Euro car parts website and just keep checking it, because they're always having sales on. And because they are clear units, I need the amber bulbs, which I've got here. I've got these are not indicator bulbs, and a pair of for the side repeaters there, the 501, the capless ones. I'll just show you these. There you go, the amber capless bulbs for the side repeaters. Now these cost 6 quid from the local motor factor. So let's get unboxing. Well, so let's unbox that. You can see it. We'll unbox this other side repeater unit. Just carefully cut the tape. Just carefully drag it. You don't have to dig too deep, you could damage the contents. And this looks like one of the side repeater unit. Just unwrap it from the bubble wrap. This is interesting. I seem to have an extra one. I didn't think there'd be two in the pack. So I've got an extra one. I don't know why, but never mind. Might be able to sell that on. So, bit of a bonus there. I'll just unbox one of these indicator units. Let's have a look. Let's check them. Yeah, I've got a left hand and a right hand one, so that's good. So open the right hand one, which is the driver's side, because we're cars in the UK right hand drive, which is to me is the correct place for the steering wheel, but I digress. And then there's our clear indicator unit. Now I believe these should be for saloon. I did check it on the website, but I think there are some differences between saloon, coupe, the touring, which is the estate version, the convertible, and the compact, but these should fit mine, which are the saloon. Right, okay, let's get these fitted. Now I'm going to start off with the side repeater unit, because that's the easiest one to do. Okay, so I just had a look through. It looks like I've got two left-hand side repeater units. So that's the new side repeater unit, and it's got some O-ring. We'll get this all done off. So find the right screwdriver. Let's have a look. So just a matter of unscrewing this. We're blowing stuff away. Quite a nice day while I'm doing it outside. So look, I might need to gently prise it off. So just look at this new one. It looks like there's a clip holding it in. So, oh no, I can pull it out by hand, slide it forward, and out it comes. So twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise, and out that comes. Now while I'm here, I might as well swap the bulb out. So it's my 501. Put the amber bulb in. get my new unit. Let's have a look. Something's stuck inside here. Let's see if I can fish this out. Right, get that out. Probably won't need that. Let's have a look, because the old one didn't have anything in. Yep, they look the same. So it should be alright. Just then twist it clockwise. Then just get the clip. You can see, I'll show you on this one, there's a clip there and it just slots in through there. So we just push it in and slide it back and then put the screw back in. Carefully nip it up, and there we go, we have a clear side repeater unit. So what I'll do is just shove hazards on, you can see it working, and it's decided not to work. Yeah, that's working, but why is that not working? There we go. That's working now. I think it might have been a bit of the old green crust is there. Took 2 goes, but got there. That's working quite well. So next we'll move on to the indicator unit at the corner. Okay, now I want to do this corner unit. Unfortunately I can't show you on this one, but I can show you on the replacement unit. There's a tab there, you just push it out and the unit should come out. So we'll just try to test the theory out. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. It's just a matter of putting the tab back. Okay, I'll come back with some trim tools. Yep, there we go, got one side out. And I've managed to free it off. So what I'll do, just pull that out. Now the light unit actually came with a bulb holder. So what I can do, I'll just disconnect this. Put this back in the light unit. Makes sense to keep it all together. Get a new light unit. don't want to make the same mistake as before. Just plug the bulb in and I'll just test it to make sure that it's working. Yep, that's working. Just put all this back together. And then can all go back in. So you just slide in and there, hear it click, and that is the light unit fixed. So just test it once more to make sure we're working. Yep, we're good. So that's how you change your front indicator light units and your side repeaters. So that's the job done. And I got to admit, it does actually give it a lift. It does look a bit more useful with the clear indicators. I'm not trying to go for M3 look. It'll cost a fortune to get it looking like an M3, but that's not the aim. Just a little lift. And I can always put it back to original if I want. Nice easy job. One thing I did notice was the side repeater bulb holders. They were a bit crusty, so give it a quick douse of the contact cleaner. That's the stuff I use. I got that from a tool station, so I'll give it a spray of contact cleaner, just give it and then just scrape it, give it a quick scrape with small flat bladed screwdriver and just push the terminals in, and it seems to have done the trick. So I'm going to wrap it up on this video. So remember I've got that spare left hand side repeater unit, so if anybody wants it, hit me up on email. Email's in the description below. I'm sure we can work out a deal. So please remember to like and subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.